Hello and welcome to World 5 Best's video on top 5 best budget drones in 2023. Today we're excited to share with you our picks for the 5 best budget drones in 2023. We've done the research and scoured the market to bring you the best options for those on a tight budget. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced drone pilot, these drones are sure to provide you with hours of fun and stunning aerial footage without breaking the bank. And don't worry, we've made it easy for you to find each product by including links in the description below. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into our top 5 picks for the best budget drones in 2023. And if you enjoy this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 5. Ryze Tech Tello. One of the standout features of the Tello is its camera. Equipped with a high-quality image processor, this drone can shoot incredible photos and videos. Even if you don't know how to fly, you can record pro-level videos with the Easy Shots feature and share them on social media from your smartphone. With 5MP, 2592 by 1936 photos and HD 720 videos, you'll be able to capture all of your favorite moments. The Tello also has a maximum flight time of 13 minutes, thanks to its high-capacity battery. This gives you plenty of time to capture all of the footage you need. And if you're worried about stability, the Tello has 2 antennas that make video transmission extra stable. One of the best things about the Tello is how easy it is to use. Thanks to all the tech that Tello's packing, like a flight controller powered by DJI, you can perform awesome tricks with this mini drone. Flying has never been so fun and easy. Overall, the Ryze Tech Tello is a fantastic option for anyone who wants to get started with drones. It's easy to use, takes great photos and videos, and has a long flight time. Number 4. Holy Stone HS175D. The Holy Stone HS175D has a sleek black design and weighs in at just 213.8 grams, making it a highly portable and travel-friendly drone. The 4K ultra-clear camera with 110 degrees wide-angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens provides high-resolution pictures, and the 5 GHz FPV transmission delivers smooth and stable videos, even in high-speed or strong wind conditions. It uses GPS-assisted flight to automatically return home when the drone lost signal, out of range, or low power, so you don't have to worry about flying it away. One of the most notable features of the Holy Stone HS175D is its long battery life. With 2 batteries, you can enjoy up to 46 minutes of flight time, and functions like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, and speed adjust make it easy to use for beginners or newbies. This drone can trace and follow you automatically, flying along a path you set, or fly around a point in circles, and when you pose to the camera, it will take a photo or video, giving you an excellent flying experience. One of the main advantages of the Holy Stone HS175D is its lightweight and compact design, making it easy to carry around in its carrying case. However, some users have reported connectivity issues with the Wi-Fi signal, especially when flying at long distances. Overall, the Holy Stone HS175D is an excellent drone for beginners or anyone looking for a high-quality drone with advanced features. Its long battery life, high-quality camera, and intelligent functions make it a great choice for anyone looking for a fun and easy-to-use drone. Number 3. BETAFPV Cetus Pro. The BETAFPV Cetus Pro FPV drone kit is made with the finest quality Cetus material that gives it a robust and sturdy build. Weighing just 26 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry around and fly. It comes with a 450 mAh lithium polymer battery that provides enough power for extended flight times. The drone has 3 flight modes, normal, sport, and manual, that cater to the different needs of pilots and their flight environments. Each mode supports 3 different speeds, slow, mid, and fast, that allow pilots to fly at their preferred pace. The Cetus Pro brushless quadcopter has an altitude hold function that enables the drone to auto-hover. It stays at a current height when pilot's hands are off the transmitter, providing stable hovering indoors. However, it's only available in N mode. The drone has an excellent self-protection function that enables it to make an emergency landing when it loses control, runs low on battery or collides with an object. It automatically disarms and drops on the ground, reducing the risk of damage or loss. The drone also comes with turtle mode, a world-leading technology that allows the drone to flip over when it falls upside down. Simply activate turtle mode with your transmitter to flip it back on its feet, without the need to retrieve it manually. Overall, the BETAFPV Cetus Pro FPV drone kit is an excellent option for beginner pilots who want to learn how to fly with FPV technology. Its lightweight build, multiple flight modes, altitude hold function, self-protection function, and turtle mode make it an incredibly versatile and reliable option. Number 2. DJI Mini SE. Firstly, let's talk about the physical characteristics of the DJI Mini SE. Weighing less than 0.55 pounds/249 grams, it is incredibly lightweight and comparable in weight to a smartphone. It comes in a stylish gray color and is compact enough to fit in your backpack, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. Now let's dive into the camera and video capabilities of the DJI Mini SE. It supports 12MP aerial photos and 2.7K HD videos, making it perfect for capturing stunning landscapes or memorable moments with friends and family. The 3-axis motorized gimbal ensures superior camera stability and smooth footage even when the drone is moving. In terms of flight capabilities, the DJI Mini SE can fly for up to 30 minutes with a fully charged battery. It also has a GPS system and return-to-home feature, making it easy to navigate and control. With a maximum range of 4 kilometers and improved wind resistance, you can capture footage with stability even in windy conditions. The DJI Fly app is another standout feature of the DJI Mini SE. It offers a variety of creator templates that generate awesome videos with just a tap. Even beginners with no editing experience can turn any moment into a social media hit. In conclusion, the DJI Mini SE is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an ultra-portable and easy-to-use camera drone. With its powerful camera and impressive flight capabilities, it is perfect for capturing stunning visuals on the go. Number 1. Holy Stone HS720E. This drone comes equipped with a 4K EIS anti-shake camera with a Sony sensor that captures superior image quality compared to other drones in its price range. The 90-degree adjustable angle broadens your view, and the 5 GHz FPV transmission guarantees longer and smooth image transmission. With the remote-controlled camera, you can capture footage from a distance of up to 1,640 feet. The Holy Stone HS720E drone is incredibly easy to use. It comes with an air optical flow and air pressure altitude control system that allows it to hover stably both indoors and outdoors. With GPS location and auto return to home features, you'll never lose your drone. The drone also has advanced flight modes that allow you to free your hands and mind to create excellent video or picture content. With features like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest, you can capture stunning footage without worrying about controlling the drone. The Holy Stone HS720E drone is equipped with brushless motors that run more powerfully and with much less noise compared to brushed motors. They also have a longer lifespan, which saves you from motor maintenance in the long run. Lastly, the drone comes with a Fly More kit that includes 2 batteries that can give you up to 46 minutes of flight time, a carrying bag, and spare parts. Overall, the Holy Stone HS720E drone is an excellent option for beginners or anyone looking for an affordable drone with excellent features. And that concludes our roundup of the 5 best budget drones in 2023. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in your search for the perfect drone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with the latest and greatest product reviews, recommendations, and tips to help you make the most informed purchasing decisions. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. We love hearing from our viewers and will do our best to respond to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.